Becoming a full-stack developer in 2025 means you can build entire web applications, from what users see to the behind-the-scenes logic. You'll master both the front end, the user interface, and the back end, which handles data and server logic. This dual skill set makes you highly valuable and lets you solve problems from start to finish. Your journey starts with 3 core technologies: HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interactivity. Mastering these is essential for building modern, responsive websites. Technology evolves quickly, so being adaptable and eager to learn is key. This roadmap will guide you through the essential skills for 2025: front-end, back-end, databases, and deployment. Think of it as your map for an exciting adventure. Each step brings you closer to building amazing web applications. You'll learn to create beautiful interfaces, powerful server logic, and understand how data is managed. Along the way, you'll pick up professional practices like testing and teamwork. Let's start this journey and unlock the skills to build the web of tomorrow. The path is clear. Let's dive in. The front end is where users interact with your application. Start with HTML to structure your pages. Think headings, images, and links. Use semantic tags for accessibility and better SEO. Next, style your site with CSS, mastering layouts with Flexbox and Grid for responsive design. Make sure your site looks great on any device. Bring your pages to life with modern JavaScript. Handle interactivity, animations, and data fetching. Learn ES 2025 features, including variables, functions, and async, await for smooth user experiences. To build complex apps, pick a front-end framework like React, Vue, or Svelte. React is widely used, Vue is beginner-friendly, and Svelte is fast and modern. Focus on one framework, build projects, and understand how it manages user interfaces. These skills will let you create engaging, dynamic web experiences. Master the front end, and you're ready for the next step. The back end powers your app behind the scenes. Node.js lets you use JavaScript on the server, streamlining your learning. Use frameworks like Express.js or Fastify to build APIs that connect your front end to your data. Handle user requests, process data, and communicate with databases. Asynchronous programming with async await keeps your server fast and responsive. A typical workflow: the front end sends a request, your server processes it, fetches or updates data, and responds, usually in JSON. This lets your app update without reloading the page. Mastering the backend means you can build robust, scalable applications. With these skills, you're ready to connect your app to a database. Let's see how data is stored and accessed. Every app needs a place to store data. Enter databases. Learn SQL databases like PostgreSQL for structured data and clear relationships. For flexible, unstructured data, use NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Redis is great for fast, temporary data storage and caching. Once your app is ready, deploy it so users can access it online. Use Docker to package your app and its dependencies into containers for consistent deployment. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure make hosting easy. Serverless platforms let you upload code and scale automatically, paying only for what you use. For large projects, tools like Kubernetes manage many containers at once. With your app live, you're ready to focus on security and collaboration. Let's make your application production ready. Security is crucial. Protect your users' data by learning the basics, starting with the OWASP Top 10. Implement authentication and authorization using tools like JWT or OAuth. Automate repetitive tasks with CI/CD pipelines. Tools like GitHub Actions run tests and deploy your app automatically. Collaboration is key. Communicate clearly, share knowledge, and work well in teams. Soft skills matter as much as technical ones. Stay curious and keep learning. Technology never stands still. Build projects, seek feedback, and mentor others as you grow. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on one step at a time. The most important skill is learning how to learn. With dedication and passion, you'll become a confident full-stack developer. The future of web development is yours to build.